Not quite sure where it comes from, but there's a saying, what a difference a day makes. Well, it's less than 24 hours ago that I was stood here talking to you in the driving rain. The sun has come out, the skies are blue, so I'll get on with some work. The job for today is to get the downpipe changed, the new brackets put up. I made this little jig to hopefully speed things up. I assume that the corner of the house is vertical. I know that I need to come 30 centimeters in for the brackets. So from there to there is 30 centimeters for the first screw, second screw. So hopefully I can just take this up step by step, drill through into the stone, and then very quickly I'll have 3 or 4 brackets in there. Let's see if it really works. Let's get out of this nice shirt and put an old one on. Right, so we can temporarily live with that. If the weather's probably a bit too close to the camera for you. You don't want to see this in full Technicolor. Yeah, if the weather's good tomorrow, I may well start to replace the main guttering. But I'll take you up there and show you the woodworm. It looks like we have quite a lot of woodworm in there and a lot of work to do on the wood. I see up underneath there that the scalloping is still there. It's been covered with this plastic stuff over the years, so I'm not sure what to do there, but we'll work it out. That's the view off to the horizon. Doesn't it look lovely? This is me up a ladder. Well, today is a very good day. I've been for my little run this morning, Saturday morning. Got back here. Wonderful surprise, my neighbour's given me a load of free firewood. There's some here, there's plenty at the back. Rather than store it right at the back at the end of the garden, I want to stack it here nicely in the corner, so we just have to come out of the living room, out of the hall, to here to get the firewood for the wood burner. I've just got to make it look tidy now. The great news is that this is seasoned, it's been dried inside of a garage for the last 10 years. So this is ready to burn. So I've got to get everything done before the rain comes. I hope my dad doesn't watch this video, because he'll tell me off. He'll say, Richard, you should plan the job before you start it, and then everything will be easy. Don't just start the job without thinking ahead. Great advice. He's told me many times. I should learn by it, really. Mistake I've made now is that with the cross tie that I've put in, I can't bolt this thing in. So that's why I've had to lift it up. I should listen to my dad. Good advice. And if my boys are listening to this video, you should listen to your dad. My daughter, she always listens to me. She doesn't do what I say, but at least she listens. I just made the comment about if my dad watches this video, he would tell me that I should have planned ahead. There I was, you just see me stacking wood, and I stopped for a second or so and I looked up towards the gutter, which is a job that has to be done. In fact, that was the job that I was going to do today. And then I looked down at the job that I was doing, and I realised that if I continue stacking wood, I won't have enough room to get my ladder up to do the gutter. So I'm paying the price now for my own stupidity, but luckily I realised now before I'd filled the whole thing with wood. So I just pulled it back out of the way. I shall pause on the wood pile for the moment and get on with the gutter. bought this stuff to keep the leaves out. That sits in the top of the gutter. Hopefully the leaves stay there, water goes through, and hopefully that'll save us some work. There it is, gutter's done. Really good job, and Joel's pleased as well, so can't complain. Now on with stacking wood. Well, today, at 7 o'clock in the evening, I've done 20,467 steps. Many of those were up and down the ladder, doing the guttering outside.
Are you pleased?
Yeah, very pleased.
Looks good.
I'm really pleased because what we've done, we share one downpipe at the end of this cottage. So we get the rainwater from the next door neighbour's house and from our house all coming down one gutter. We're getting more and more really heavy rain in England. So what I decided to do is, we had a leak in the gutter anyway. I decided to buy a much deeper rain gutter so that we have a sufficient volume in there to catch the water from his roof and the water from ours without overflowing. So it's been a gorgeous sunny day out there.
It really has.
And the job was actually easier than I thought. I bought all the materials myself.
We actually got a quote, didn't we? We got a quote to have it done, didn't we?
The quote was
with us supplying the materials.
Yeah, £180.
So that was a good win today.
There was the ladder that was left by the previous owner, which I will replace because it's too heavy for me. But anyway, so the tools didn't cost me anything out of all the tools. The materials cost £100, but they would have cost more if I'd had the gutter company to do it. They would have charged 180. all in all, I suppose for me it was 4 or 5 hours of work, lots of up and down. So I'll be aching like anything tomorrow, but I'm so very pleased with the end result.
Oh, it looks fantastic.
And you can guarantee now that I've done it, we won't get any rain for the next few weeks.
Oh, I think we'll choose some tomorrow actually. So there we go. Yeah.
So I'll be popping over here tomorrow to see if it's leaking.
It'll be fine.
Just, this is the first video since we met the big number. As some of you may know, that
Party Central.
the ones that have been following us,
oh yeah,
we made it to 1,000 subscribers this week.
Thank you so much.
We appreciate every single one of you, the people that have been with us from the beginning, the people that have just joined, the people who said we're with you.
Yeah.
There were people that got their husbands and their partners to subscribe as well.
We truly appreciate it.
We're now finally monetized with YouTube.
Can I just say, not only that, we've made 66 pence.
66 pence.
66 pence.
Yeah.
That's almost a Belgian bun.
Yeah.
Oh, the excitement in this house. So, but truly, thank you. The excitement in our house that night, thinking, can we make the 1,000? Can we make it? All our kids, we're all waiting their way across the world. Wonderful.
One piece of feedback that we need from you, maybe not from this video, but from future ones. We don't know anything about YouTube and advertising.
Yes.
We know that at times the ads drive us crazy. At the moment, I'm leaving the default settings with however YouTube does it.
Yeah.
If you find that the ads are really intrusive, can you please let us know? And we'll see what's possible. We'll see about shifting them in the videos or doing something differently. What we don't want to do, for you people that have been with us for a very long time, we don't want to alienate you.
No, not at all.
Because of YouTube ads.
Yeah.
Hopefully you won't mind them. It will fund a little bit of maybe Belgian buns
or maybe actually something for Bramble.
Yeah, because we do have a big long list of things that we need.
We do, and then Rich, I just realised I terrified Rich the other day when we were talking about, you know, getting things done and moving in, and I did say to him, you do realise
sorry.
You do realise we will need furniture, like a bed. Oh, hadn't thought about that one. So yeah, we've got 1 or 2 things to.
Yeah, but I did form a very good relationship with the lady at the community reuse or the community restore. So we'll be good for furniture.
Wow.
Right. Thanks for watching.
Thank you so much.
Hope you enjoyed it.
I hope you have a wonderful day.
And from my side, at least, I hope it rains tonight here in where we are in the cottage, just to check the gutter in.
And can I just say, I haven't been idle, hence the thing. So I am just living the life of repointing and loving it.
Right. Bye for now.
Thank you so much. Bye.